In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix VoiceMeeter banana echo. So first things first, you want to head over to your VoiceMeeter application, and from here, we only have to navigate through our main input. So you have to select whether you have your input 1 or 2, and from here, you simply want to fix this section right here. As you can see, I'm using VoiceMeeter as of the moment, and if I go ahead and adjust my color panel into something like echo, you will hear it immediately. Now it will have some echo on my voice. It will also become high pitch, and so you want to turn this adjuster into the low echo zone and the low pitch zone, and from here you will be able to simply remove the echo from your voice input. Additionally, you might also want to go ahead and toggle off the self audio right here. Now this would be useful if you're trying to test out your microphone, but if you simply turn this on, you will be able to hear yourself. So this is basically our microphone right here, enabling us to hear our output. So for example, if I switch it to something like my main speaker, I will be able to hear my voice creating that echo that you will hear. So you want to make sure to turn this specific setting on, hello, because you will have that kind of echo. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.